Today I'm going to show you and talk to you about the Tentbox kitchen box. To open it, you pull this catch here, this catch here. There's two little plastic buttons. Press that and it all pops out. Pull them up like that. Then these brackets, just make sure you've pulled them down so it supports the weight. If you lift one side up at a time, the gas assisted legs just come out. And what I find is, while it's out, just undo them as well. Same at this side, just lift it up and the legs come out, and don't forget to do your feet at the bottom. So that leg comes down like that and it just supports it. You get the Tentbox kitchen box accessory bag, and you get two Tentbox kitchen box stools. These are aluminium and they're really sturdy, to be honest. They just fold out like that and they're really sturdy. They're just the same height for your kitchen box, which is perfect. You get two stools. In the bag you get a set of knife and forks, another set of knife and forks. You get two, like, I would say like spice pots or salt and pepper pots or something. You get probably something for like your cooking oil or thing, and you get a spatula in there. But there's that much room, you can fit your other things in as well, like maybe like a frying pan or something as well. And then obviously you've got, like, you can store other things in this net pocket as well. It also comes with a magnetic lid. You lift that up there and you've got a wind protector for your cooker, and then you've got a chopping board, which is a nice addition. This pan as well, you've got a pan with a lid, you've got the like handle, you've even got two bowls with it as well, and a big pan. It's nice because, as well, I found these little rubber things here, it keeps your pan sturdy, so when you're travelling it won't move. You've got a single burner, but it has like 3 jets in, so it makes like boiling water a lot quicker. You just fold these out like that, and obviously then you can have a smaller pan or a larger pan. It takes these Coleman C500s. Been using it for a couple of days and I've hardly noticed any use of it, so yeah, they're pretty good. This just screws into the top of your C500. It's got a long gas cable as well, so even if you're out and about, you could have your gas separate so there's no accidents or nothing happens to your box. For the windshield, these just pull out like this. It just folds out and it sits into your little grooves there, and obviously it just keeps it nice, stops the wind blowing. Just forgot to show you this. This is the gas igniter, so it just folds out. Then when you've got your gas on, just press it and it should set your gas. And then when everything's like set up, you can put your stools back in your, obviously your kitchen box bag. Everything is quite sturdy, so even if you put quite a bit of weight on top, everything should be fine. On your gas, all you do is untwist your top. It just goes back into there like that to keep it safe, like that. Obviously these fold in, then your wind protectors just go back like that. I've not used the cooker yet, but on next videos I'll show you. I think it's well designed, it's strong, it's sturdy. I think it's a nice bit of kit. It's even got like gas strutted legs, so it's easy just to lift and pop up. I do like this magnetic lid. You could even just store a little bit more inside if you wanted. Maybe some more knife and forks on, I don't know, something like that would be brilliant. When you're finished with it, just lift your leg up and push it back in. It's all on runners, so it'll just lock into place. There's just like a little catch. Just push that down there and it just stops it all from moving when you're travelling. It just fits into that small hole there, so like now it's all solid. What I do now, when you're putting it away, I lift these legs up first, and then I just push and let the weight take it down. Same on this side, lift your little feet up and then push and let the weight take it down. When you've done that, make sure you push these in so it folds down and it just clicks into place. Same on this side, just push it and then they'll clip into place. And make sure you put the metal catches back on, just like that. These handles do move, so when you're obviously carrying it, you can just lift them up. It's pretty simple, but I think it's definitely a game changer. Everything you've got in there is what you need. Your cooking, your table, you've got your knife and forks. Everything you need is just there, so it's not separated or in different bags.